What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back. So if you are done registering with this platform, they are going to give you 100 USDT as their welcome bonus, as you can see over here, right? 100 USDT, and this 100 USDT you are going to use it to make more money for yourself. So don't worry guys, I'm going to take us step by step how you can be able to earn using this particular platform. And towards the end of this video, I am going to show you a bonus tip on how you can be able to make more money using this particular platform. All right, so what I want you to do is just to stay back, tighten your seatbelt, and follow us step by step on how to earn using this particular platform. So in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money for yourself online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join this beautiful family, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscribe button. What the bell notification does is to notify you anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you are watching. All right, now use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button. That is the most important thing for us, so this video can spread to more beautiful people just like you. Okay, click the like button in appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video. All right, so I'm going to take us through some steps in order to get started with this platform. The first step is to show you how you can be able to register yourself on this particular platform. All right, taking you through the registration aspect of the platform. The second step is to show you the main thing you need to do in order to earn from this platform. Now, how cool is that? All right, and the last but not the least is to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earnings online. All right, making money online is one thing, and being able to withdraw the money you made online is another thing, and that's the most important thing. Remember, I'm going to show us how you can be able to make more money using this particular platform towards the end of this video. And towards the end of this video, I will be leaving the link in order to register with this platform, so stay tuned as I take us through step by step. Let's go, beautiful people. So guys, once you click on the link I'll be dropping towards the end of this video, it will definitely bring you over to this interface, which is the registration aspect of the platform. Right, so what you want to do is to click over here and type in your email address. This registration is very simple. Type in your email address over here, make sure to type a password you will always remember, and then right here retype the password. All right, so once you are done, I want you to click over here that says sign up, and you are done with the registration. Now, how cool is that? So let's proceed to what you need to do in order to earn using this particular platform. Let's go, guys. I believe you have liked the video and you have also joined this beautiful family by subscribing to the channel. All right, I believe you've done that. So if you have not, go ahead, use 3 seconds of your time, click the like button to show appreciation of the value you're about to get in today's video, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's go, guys. So guys, once you are done with the registration and you have logged in, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, this is showing you the announcement concerning the platform, which says register and get 100 USDT immediately, just like I said from the beginning of this video. Right, so you have to recharge your account in order to get started, aside the 100 USDT that has been given to you, which is the welcome bonus. So once you are done going through the announcement, I want you to go ahead and click over here that says I know. Okay, so once you click on I know, this is the interface you are going to see. All right, now the thing we have to do in order to earn using this platform, this is how you can be able to get started with the things you need to do to earn money. I need you to click over here that says VIP. So once you click on VIP, you are going to see different VIP or different plans you can be able to use in order to start earning money for yourself. So let's start with the number one. So if you can be able to recharge, aside the 100 USDT given to you, right, you can be able to recharge the sum of 12 USDT added to the 100 USDT given to you. That is going to be 112 USDT. Every single 24 hours you are going to be getting 2.50 USDT every single 24 hours. All right, so if you can proceed to recharge the sum of 32 USDT, right, you are going to be getting every single day 6.50 USDT. So when you scroll down again, you are still going to see various plan or VIP for you to use to earn using this platform. So if you can recharge the sum of 108 USDT every single day, you are going to be getting 22 USDT. And if you can proceed to recharge 158 USDT, you are going to be getting every single day 55 USDT. So when you scroll down, you are going to see a whole lot of plan you can be able to invest your money and earn return on investment every single 24 hours. All right, now now, how are you going to recharge your account in order to invest in a particular VIP or plan? Now, to recharge your account, you have to click over here that says me. Okay, so once you click on me to bring you over to this interface, remember you are still having your 100 initial welcome bonus. All right, so you have to top it up in order to recharge a particular, in order to activate a particular VIP. So you have to click over here that says recharge. Right, so once you click on recharge, it will definitely bring you over here, showing you the different or the two types of crypto you can be able to use in recharging your account. So over here is TRC20, which is USDT, and over here is TRS. Okay, so you are going to choose whether to recharge your account with USDT or Tron. So let's say we are going to use USDT to recharge your account, so you just have to click over there and it will definitely generate a USDT wallet address where you can just send in, let's say 12 USDT, depending on the particular VIP you want to unlock. Okay, so you just have to copy this, move over to your Binance, move over to your Bybit, move over to your KuCoin, move over to your Trust Wallet, any platform you can be able to use to trade cryptocurrency. Go over there, then send in over 12 USDT, or depending the amount you want to use to unlock a particular VIP or plan on this particular site. So once you are done sending over, let's say 12 USDT for the sake of this video, all right, it's going to take highest 1 minute and they are going to definitely credit your account. So once you are done sending that, I want you to go over here and click on recharge completed. So once you are done with clicking on the charge completed, you are going to go back to your main page and then refresh your account. So once you refresh your account is going to definitely change to, let's say, 112 USDT. So once your account has been credited, I want you to go over here and click on the VIP. Okay, so once you click on the VIP, you are going to select that particular plan you would want to unlock. So let's say it's this first one. You just have to click on the first one, and then so once you click on the first one, they are going to ask you, you are going to see a pop-up notification saying the recharge balance is automatically unlocked and the need to recharge 12 USD. Just go ahead and click on confirm in order to unlock that particular VIP plan. Okay, so I am going to make a separate video recharging my account, investing, and then after my withdrawal, I'm still going to make a video showing you my withdrawal and how much I was able to receive or earn using this particular platform. So if you want to watch the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like this particular video. That is the most important thing. Like this particular video you are watching. All right, remember, I am going to tell you how you can be able to earn more money aside investing on this particular platform. So that is the next step I'm going to take us to. Okay, so let's go ahead. So in order to earn more money using this particular platform, I want you to click over here that says team. Yes, click on the team. So once you click on the team, it will bring you over here. I want you to go ahead and copy this particular link. Yes, that is the referral option of method of making money, okay, using this particular plan. So once you copy the link, share with your friends and family, and once they register using your link, you are going to definitely get commission. All right, it is not even must you invest in this particular platform. You can actually refer people and earn, but it's better for you to invest and then earn money by your investment and also earn money from your referral commissions. So let's say you've earned money from your investment, you've gotten your ROI, you've gotten your bonus from the referral. The next thing is how you can be able to withdraw your earnings, just like I said, which is the most important thing. So go ahead and click over here that says me. So once you click on me, it will definitely bring you over to this interface. So go ahead and click over here that says withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, this is the next step you are going to take. I want you to go ahead and type over here the amount of USDT you would want to withdraw. Okay, so after typing the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, I want you to go over here and type in your contact information. Your contact information could be your social media handle, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram. So just type in your social media handle, and then the next thing you are going to do is to copy your USDT wallet address from your Bybit, from your Binance, from your KuCoin, from your Trust Wallet. Just copy your USDT wallet address and then paste it over here. So the next thing you have to do is to type in your withdrawal password, which is over here. Okay, So after typing your withdrawal password, go ahead and click on confirm, and it is going to take less than 2 minutes or a minute. You are definitely going to get your money in your wallet address. Okay, so I'm going to make a video showing you my withdrawal proof, all right, after investing in this particular platform. So if you want to join me in investing in this platform now before making the video, go ahead and use the link I'll be dropping in our WhatsApp group. So if you're yet to join our WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving the link of our WhatsApp group in the video description and also in the comment section. So click on the link to join our WhatsApp group. Right there is where I'm going to be dropping the link of this particular platform for you to start earning money for yourself. All right, so I believe you enjoyed this video. Why don't you go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video, and also join this awesome family by clicking on that subscribe button. All right, if you're investing in any particular platform, remove greed from the equation. Right, remove greed from the equation. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you are going to do is based on your due diligence, is based on your own research. Okay, like I said, remove greed from the equation. Anything could happen to any particular platform. All right, so this is what I have for us in today's video. If you want to learn more ways you can be able to make money online, you can as well click on the link showing on the screen right now, and I will see you over there. Keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.